Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I hope you are doing good. In this video we will talk about bone meal for plants and garden. So, what does bone meal do for your garden? If you grow fruit, veggies, or flowers, you want to reap amazing rewards for your spring gardening efforts. It can be hard to keep up with the dozens of soil amendments and other garden helpers out there, but bone meal is one product that can help achieve the results you want. Here's how bone meal spikes and bone meal granular can help your garden be its most productive. Nutritional deficiencies in plants. Like us, plants can sometimes use a little help in the nutrition department. Soil doesn't always contain everything your garden needs, and meal from animal bones can help fill nutritional gaps. The small amounts of magnesium and zinc in bone meal spikes or granules are enough to keep deficiencies at bay. Zinc deficiencies from dry, acidic soil show up in the form of yellowed, misshapen or clustered leaves. Zinc helps plants produce chlorophyll, form carbohydrates and enzymes, and deal with cold spells. Magnesium-deficient plants, which appear when soil is lacking in organic matter, often have discolored, brittle leaves or leaf loss. The right amount of magnesium aids in the all-important photosynthesis process. Nutrition for your garden. Magnesium and zinc are just part of the picture. Bone meal increases phosphorus in soil for optimal spring gardening results. Essential in the development of strong root systems, this element is released into the soil for up to 4 months. Slow, steady delivery of nutrients helps you grow plenty of big, blooming flowers, fruits, and vegetables. Calcium is another important meal component. When plants get proper light and water, this essential mineral helps them form healthy cells. Keep an eye on soil acidity. Bone meal helps most garden plots thrive, but it isn't ideal for all soil types. The ideal soil pH level is lower than 7. You can purchase soil testing kits at your local nursery. This is the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe in my channel and thanks for watching.